Welcome to this 2D to 3D drawing tutorial series, where we turn simple 2D drawings into 3D models, step by step. The drawings are free to download. Link in the description. I'll show the same drawings in multiple software, including Fusion, Shaper 3D, and more to come. This video covers Drawing 4 in Autodesk Fusion. You can download the exercise drawings using the link in the description below. Open Fusion on your computer. Start with a sketch. Place your sketch on the top plane. Your view will automatically rotate to the top view, as shown by the cube in the top right corner. Use the circle tool to draw a circle along the y-axis. Move your cursor up from the origin point so it snaps to the y-axis. Set the circle diameter to 14 millimeters. Now go to Create and select the Dimension tool. Select the center point of the circle, then select the origin point. Set this dimension to 38 millimeters. Go to Create again and choose Circular Pattern. Select the circle. For the center point, select the origin. Set the quantity to 20. Next, trim away the unwanted lines using the Trim tool. You can click each line individually. Or click and hold, then drag across all the lines you want to remove. Perfect. Now draw another circle. And set the diameter to 70 millimeters. Well done. Your sketch is now complete. Click Finish Sketch. You can rotate the view using your mouse, or by using the cube in the top right corner. Next, we'll create the bodies. Select Extrude and click inside the first contour. Drag the arrow, or enter a value. Make the extrusion 5 millimeters. The sketch will now become invisible. If you need to see it again, go to the browser on the left, open Sketches, and click the small eye icon. Now extrude again. Click inside the contour and extrude it to 100 millimeters. Make sure the operation is set to join, so both bodies merge into one. You can now hide the sketch again, we don't need it anymore. And that's it. Your model is complete. Well done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. More drawings are available, so keep working through the series. Once you finish them all, try the same exercises in another software, see my playlists. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.